Guys, welcome to this one. So we'll be doing rain effects for this. Let's jump into it. First thing you're doing is come to new layers, create a new layer. On this layer, jump to filter, then render. Under render, you're looking for fibers. Click on fibers. So you want to set your variance to 15, your strength to 15. Then click OK. So we have this kind of effect going on. So right click on this and convert that into a smart object. Okay, so then come to your blending options here. Click from normal to make it screen. Okay, so click you want to do Ctrl T on your keyboard. Rotate this and stretch this out like so. Stretch this out too until it fills the whole picture. Then you're coming down to image, right, adjustment, then levels. So you push this down, push this down too. Alright, so you can push this down also. So just play with your setting basically until you get what you want. Alright, I think I'm okay with this, so you click on OK. So you do your final step, go to filter, blur and motion blur. So you want to set the angle to something, say 65. Let's do 65. So we want to reduce that blur. Reduce your blur, the distance of the blur. So let's do 3. So I'll click on OK. So I have something like this going on, but if you want something, you can also come here to do on your adjustment layer there, click on levels, right, and add more depth to this, right. So we have something like this. I hope you got this. I'm going to be seeing the next one.